Now that the hinge side of the door is plumb and secure, it's time to do the lock side. Insert number 8 2.5-inch grade screws in the top and bottom holes you drilled earlier, just enough to hold them in place. If you have a Therma-Tru installation clip on the new door, please remove it now. Check to make sure the door compresses the weather strip evenly. You should see about 3/8 to 1/2 inch of exposed weather strip when the door is closed. If you do not, adjust the top and bottom of the door jamb in or out of the opening until you do. Then drive the top and bottom screws into the framing, but not all the way down. Close the door and place shims above the screws until the gap between the door and jamb is even. Recheck everywhere for plumb, square, weather strip contact, and door operation. Then finish driving the screws, starting at the middle, then the top, and lastly the bottom. If you're installing a double door unit, it will need additional anchoring and adjusting for correct alignment, operation, and sealing.